Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing materials and defining scale. Use 200 GSM cardstock and 6 A3 sheets for strength and detail. Decide final chassis length at 35 cm and wheel diameter at 5 cm so proportions match a Rolls Royce silhouette. Gather tools: a 30 cm metal ruler, sharp craft knife, cutting mat, PVA glue, white glue tube, pencil, eraser, scissors, 15 toothpicks, and clamps or clothespins. Prepare a workspace and print or draw full-size templates to transfer accurate panels directly onto the cardstock before cutting. Construct the chassis first. Cut the base and score 1 cm flaps for every panel join to create crisp edges that fold cleanly. Apply a 2 mm bead of PVA glue along flaps and press. Then clamp each joint and allow 15 minutes of tack drying before moving on. Build a double-layer spine on the underside, using 2 2mm strips of cardstock glued together, and insert 4 toothpicks per axle area to reinforce wheel mounts and prevent twisting under weight during later handling. Add details before final assembly. Cut chrome trim from 1 mm strips, grill slats from 3 mm strips, and badges from 0.5 mm cardstock. Attach with tiny glue dots. Prime the model with 1 thin spray coat to seal fibers, then spray 2 thin paint coats 20 minutes apart to avoid tackiness. After paint cures, apply a thin layer of varnish, matte for classic finish or gloss for showroom shine, and let the model cure for 24 hours. Finally, fit wheels, test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.